All right, guys, so got a little bit of a model haul here for everybody. A couple little things I picked up recently. This is embossing powder. And embossing powder, I'm told, when you use it on a model car, it looks like real carpet, real fabric. And so I'm going to try that out. I also, as far as carpet goes, I also got myself some tan flocking from eBay. Every color under the sun, apparently. And I'm going to use that on my Firebird, or Trans Am Firebird, the kit car, KITT. That's where that's going to go. I might use it on others in the future. Couple things. I'll hold this one till last. Next to last. But also picked up the Ghostbusters Ecto 1A. And I picked this up at Michael's with a coupon. It was pretty well reduced. Open package and things like that. And what I'm going to do with this is turn it into a hearse. So I want to use this Cadillac body, make it into a hearse. I've got a couple things that looks like I haven't opened the kit, but it looks like there are a few mounts that have to be sanded out. Maybe some holes have to be filled, but I think this would make a really, really good hearse. The Johan ones that are on eBay, they're like $200, $300, $400 range. So guess what? I guess I'll use this guy here. And I also found a place online that does stretchers and things like that for ambulances, and I'll see what I can get from there to make that even more of a hearse. So the box we're saving till last. This one though, look at this. My girlfriend decided to get me this kit. This is Revell Muscle from the early 2000s. And this is the 68 Firebird, which happens to be the first full production year run of the Trans Am, Firebird Trans Am. So this, I think it was 67 and a half. I don't know. Somebody will correct me. Half a dozen people will be right, half a dozen won't be. I have no idea. But that, to the best of my recollection, that's how this worked. Anyway, you can build a stock. You can build like a pro, pro stock. That's what I'm trying to think. And you can. I might take a couple elements from here or there, but I think I'm actually just going to make the stock. I really want a nice stock build, something box stock. Looks like it rolled off the assembly line. I've been looking at colors. They have a beautiful blue that I'm probably going to mix up. A couple other items. But we'll see, and I'll do an open box review here in a little bit. Next wise, oh, you probably saw that, didn't you? This is a kit that I have been wanting to build ever since I was a little kid, and I'm going to show you. 77 Pontiac Firebird. I got two of them, just in case. You never know with some of these, and some of these models I buy two of, only because I want to make sure that I have, enough parts, pieces, if I lose stuff, whatever. And I just like to have two just in case. And this, I have to admit, I was so excited to get this. I've already opened the box on this, and this is an amazing kit. I can't wait to chew into this. This has, the decal sheet actually covers all of these pinstripes on the car. Really amazing. Looks like it might be missing the antenna, but I'll take a look at that, maybe create one. And this, of course, this Band 1 license plate was never on the front of the car. Band 1 was on the back, but the state of Georgia flag, which is the Confederate, and the Georgia seal was on the front of the car. So in order to make this a little more movie accurate, I'll probably find myself, get some decals to fix this license plate, and I'll probably either find or make a CB antenna. And we'll take a look at the antenna, or the CB itself, the radio itself, all those things, and make sure that they're appropriate, accurate, however you want to say it. And I'm going to get started on this. I've got to get started on this. And of course, you've already seen the Gremlin, and the Gremlin, boy, projects. I got projects everywhere. If only I had time to match these projects, we'd have a lot done here on the table. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Keep looking as I collect my thoughts. Keep looking for more updates on this Pontiac, updates on the KITT car, updates on the 76 Gremlin. And this project back here will continue going. This is a tractor that I'm working on, DM600 AMT kit, and it's been in this place. It reminds me of a kid when I had a primer car. That's pretty much where we are with this truck right now. It's just been sitting here for a while. As my skills get worked up, modeling skills get back up to where I want them to be, or maybe a little bit beyond where I want them to be, and my patience too goes beyond a little bit where I want it to be. Some of the tips, tricks, all those things. So again, as I do these models, part of my process is I'm trying to keep building my skills. That's the goal, just skills building until I get a nice miniature representation of an automobile. So thank you all very much for taking a look at all my cool stuff that I just got over the last few days, and hope everything's going well for you. Thanks.